Yeah, we are back. Yes, this is Logic on steroids. You already know what time it is. Yo, you already know what it is. If you don't like my commentary, I'm not gonna tell you what to do. You can watch another video, you'll see what to do. All that complaining, write it in the comments, who cares? Yo, we're gonna have to start getting straight to the point in this sucker, man. I just wanna go in this thing blind, you know what I'm saying? And let's get to 10,000 subscribers before next year in March, man, before 2026 March. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate my subscribers. You know what I mean? Okay, let's go. Let's get into this right here.
Are you ready?
If you like arrest content, be sure to subscribe so to miss out on future videos. Officers responded to a call in reference to a 32-year-old female causing a disturbance at a local business.
Hello. Hi. What's going on?
A female.
He came in and purchased, we sell Delta 8 products here. He came in and purchased some Delta 8 flour. He's not happy with it.
What kind of
And
female?
we don't do refunds or returns on something you've already consumed, even if you've only consumed part of it. He didn't like the effects. I can return it. I was going to offer him a discount, but before I could get to that, he told me he was going to flip my whole store upside down, went on and on about this whole tire, about how we owe him.
Okay.
And then said he was licensed to kill. He didn't care what happened. He doesn't have any weapons. He didn't threaten me. Other than that, he didn't come near me.
And you want them trespass from the store?
Take him leave. Just take him away.
Okay. Well,
Hold on.
I mean, are you wanting
They're
him
talking
to
about, they said him, he, but then the intro said female.
trespass from the store?
Yeah.
All right. Hey, boss. Hey, you want to talk to me?
Right, Rod?
Hey,
Have you checked a name?
what's your name, man?
That's a dude.
Of course, go right ahead.
Are you having some bad reaction to what was sold to you?
Last name is
You need an ambulance?
Delta India Alpha Zulu.
This motherfucker went from taking shrooms to wearing the goddamn thing. Catch it before it runs under the fridge.
You sure you don't want to go to the hospital and get checked out?
Versus Antonio Alpha November Tango.
What's going on then?
November Pilot.
Oh no, whatever
Middle of
that
the day, Jesus.
was in that green
Delta
container,
Echo.
whatever that was,
Juliet
that
Echo
was sold to me,
Sierra,
I had a bad reaction to it.
Hispanic male, 613 of 96.
As in, like, does it make you feel sick? Yeah? Why don't we get an ambulance to check you out then? Okay? Is this your ID up here, boss? Is this all your cards and stuff that are out here?
That's a whole bunch of cars.
Are you Rebecca?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey, homeboy, hey, nigga, what you say?
There's that.
What?
Just want to confirm those three.
All right, let's start there.
All right. I'm going to put your stuff back in your wallet. We're going to get an ambulance up here and check you out. Okay? 544 headquarters. Can you have lead control B51 to my 22? I'm seeing secure, adult female, awake and breathing, bad reaction.
I don't think that colorful thing in the sky, that rainbow looking thing in the sky is there for no reason. There ain't no ironic twist.
Delta products.
1725.
For fuck's sakes, let's use this Google feature on the Samsung S22 Ultra to locate this rainbow. Jesus Christ, is this even real? My. The holy smoke and vape shop is indeed real. Sorry, but this is what you get when you let mushroom-headed warriors from Super Mario into your shop. Anyhow, let's get back to a fucked up program.
Bought some Delta products, consumed it, having bad reaction. So we're gonna have lead control come up. You want to step outside where you can get some fresh air? Hang out there. Let me get. Okay. Let's get him outside. I'm gonna put all of his stuff back in his wallet.
So he
Can you
calls
step
himself
up on your
Rebecca,
own?
Just me.
but the cop still calling him him. So I guess the cop, what side the cop is on. So you know what I'm saying? So I don't know how important it is for the Rebecca dude to be called she or he.
Okay. Yeah. Come on. Can you stand?
If you're having that much trouble, man, just stay there.
Okay.
This is all this stuff?
Yeah. I already got his ID.
Alright. What was he doing? Why are we here?
Huh?
Why are we here? What was going on?
Well, it started out that he was unhappy with the Delta 8 that I was selling him. It wasn't working for him at all.
Okay.
And I told him, I was like, I was gonna tell him I can't do a return or anything like that, but I could give him a discount.
Tell him really why.
I
Why?
am telling them really
No.
why. I didn't get a chance
Please
to tell
tell
you.
him.
All of a sudden you're fine? You can stand up?
Nah. Tell him with the real reason.
You
I
said it
came
wasn't-
in here.
Well, let me get this straight. I asked her, let me tell her.
No.
All right,
Wait.
we're going to have to get him out of here. I'm trying to hear the story from her first.
You don't even want to know how.
Well, I want to hear the story, then I can.
That shit like it's working perfectly. He look like he ain't got it all right now.
Hear one person at a time, right? I'm not going to sit here and argue with you.
He ain't gonna.
All right, let's go.
Let's go. Get out, because you're obviously fine now.
Don't even touch.
You're obviously fine now.
Let's go.
Walk outside. Come on.
At the
Let's
end
go.
of the day, PNC for life.
Yeah, she said he wants some trespass.
Let's put up
My
the
necklace
crazy
broke
clock.
as soon as the guy that entered here. My necklace broke.
Then he's going to go to jail.
Let's go. Outside. Come on. Rebecca, let's go.
My necklace broke.
You're going to end up going to jail. Come on.
Are you ready?
Get my bitch ass nigga.
All right, let's go.
Damn. Something wrong with him.
Gotcha, bitch.
Oops. Gotcha ass.
Like, so, there's that.
Roll over.
Roll over.
Roll over.
The fuck you thought was gonna happen?
Roll over, you're going to get it again.
Crazy clock.
At the end of the day.
Look at her. With her bitch ass.
At the end of the day.
Are you ready?
Fue en este momento que él
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Roll over.
Roll over, you're going to get it again.
It's okay.
Roll over.
Roll over.
6, 3, and 5 are clear.
You're going to get it again.
3 and 5 are
It's
clear.
okay.
1730.
He like the feeling.
Give me your trust.
Oh no, man. We got some loonies in this planet. And they breathing this air, same
See
air
what
as
your
us,
actions caused?
and mixed in with the population and everything.
Yeah. We didn't have to want to.
We got to deal with them every day on the bus, everywhere we
We didn't
go.
want to go this route.
It's okay.
All right. Stand up.
Hello, viewers. We would be most grateful if you would be so kind as to subscribe to our Logic on Steroids channel. Stop pretending that your derriere don't stink.
Yeah.
Look at that. The taser thingy on his back. I forgot what they call it. Stuck right in his back.
I'll check the source over. What's your name, partner?
Why am I in handcuffs?
At this point, you're going to jail.
Oh God, why?
Man, that Delta 8 is working perfectly fine.
You think the nurse at the jail is going to need med clearance? I mean, because they're saying he's good.
He's fine.
For charting, you only do one, but like we got 7 different training rooms, 14 different.
I don't know, man.
Huh?
Do they make you don't they don't make you take medical clearance for tasing?
Do all type of thing. I don't know he so, but I will say.
I don't have.
My thing is with him digesting whatever he digests.
What the hell did I digest?
Take it for clearance then. That's probably because you don't want to go to the jail and then make them make you leave and stuff like that. So just go ahead and get the clearance real quick on the way up LMH. And, you shouldn't be in there very long. I'm gonna go in there and once you get going, I'm gonna see if they got. I mean, we have our cameras, but I'm gonna see if they got footage in there as well that we can get. I need all her 43 and yeah, I'll get all that.
The white Honda Accord 428 Bravo Golf 72 Yankee Lima.
Up in there, have a seat.
Shape 51 and 1741.
Rebecca, what's your date of birth? Okay. Where do you live? Okay.
How does he get a name like Rebecca?
That's a female. No, it's not. It is?
One of you gentlemen would like to sign that you're taking Rebecca out.
Yeah, that's a female. It is? Dang. I got that wrong.
Hold up. They say that is a female. And he showed it on the ID. Hell no. If that is not a female, if that's a female, that is the most manliest female I ever seen. Yo, you did a perfect job switching. I ain't never seen no. I can tell a female when she start dressing like a boy. You know what I'm saying? She's got that little cute face. She got little hips on her. I don't give a damn what you throw on. I'm gonna detect that you a female. Something about your neck, something about your hands, or something about you that's feminine. But this one, bro, look like me.
In the end, Rebecca was charged with battery on a law enforcement officer, trespassing, and resisting or obstructing without violence. As part of a plea deal, she pled no contest to trespassing and resisting without violence and was adjudicated guilty. Thanks to a prior arrest that included aggravated assault with a firearm and discharging a firearm in public, she was sentenced to 228 days in jail.
Yo, this is crazy. I ain't never seen that. That's all right, boy. That's the most. Man, look at here, man. We got more videos coming your way, man. I'm sorry to ruin y'all day if I did. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Go to this channel right here and support their page too. They the one that provided the video. Respect to them. Subscribe to Logic on Steroids as well. And like the video, share it. And I'm out. We got more coming at you.